Now let's go to the maintenance of the machine. We need to oil our machine, and we're going to talk about where we oil it. So you'll need some light machine oil, and that comes with your machine. You'll need the little screwdriver because we'll need to tension up the bobbin case, and you'll need a lint brush to clean out the lint in the bobbin hook area. You'll need your bobbin case and a bobbin that has thread on it. So let's get started with this. Let's look at the bobbin case and see the parts on it. First of all, I have a latch. This latch is used to bring the bobbin case out of the machine, not to put it into the machine. There's a tension spring and a tension screw. You will be adjusting this screw according to the different threads you use. We have a slot right in there that the thread goes into. So I'm going to turn this over, and you can see that there's also a backlash spring in there that needs to stay in there, and you will be able to use that with any type of bobbin, whether it's a pre-wound or whether you wind your own. So I'm going to take the bobbin, and the thread is coming off, rolling off clockwise. Place it in to the bobbin case. Bring the thread through that groove and then slide it underneath that tension spring. I'm going to place the bobbin case in my hand, and I'm going to lift it up, and I want it to stand up firmly in my hand, and this is not really standing up firmly, so I need to tighten this. So I'm going to take my screwdriver, and with this screw right here, I'm going to tighten it. Now this is going to be a very minor adjustment. So as I place that in, the screw in there, or the screwdriver in there, just barely, like a tick on a clock. And then this still could do just a little bit more because it needs to stand firmly. Okay, there. Stands up firmly, and that is good tension. When your machine comes to you, you'll find that it will be really clean in here. There won't be any lint. But as you start using your machine, you'll find that lint will build up around in here and inside the bobbin hook area. So you'll need to take the brush that came with your machine and clean out all around inside here, making sure that there is no lint in there. Then the next thing you'll need to do is you'll want to oil the machine, and you want to place your oiler, the spout of your oiler, right on this ledge, which is the race of the machine. And you will place a drop of oil right there on that race. If you squeeze out the bottle and there's too much oil that comes on there, use some cotton, some batting, and just absorb the batting or the oil that it may drip down in here, and just absorb it so there's only about a drop on there. The next thing is to place your bobbin case with its bobbin inside the bobbin hook area. So place it up here. Do not hold on to the latch. Don't hold on to that latch, but just place it up in there, and then it needs to snap into place, and you're ready to quilt.